Hello everyone. Today I went to the roof and saw that the sky was very blue and the clouds looked very beautiful. Then I went once again on the roof in the evening and the view of the afternoon sky with the falling sun was very mesmerizing. After seeing these two types of skyscapes, I thought to paint a picture by combining them. A few days ago, I bought a small drawing notebook and today I will paint in it. At first, I didn't understand how to paint here, how will the category of painting be. Then I thought to try the painting here today. First, I set up my drawing book to do the painting so that it looks good on camera. I want to thank all of you today because you have given me 100 plus subscribers. Thank you so much. For too many of you, it may be a small thing, but to me, it is a very big thing, and getting any small thing from YouTube is a big thing for me. So thank you all for being with me. So I am first trying to show here the scene that we had in the sky in the afternoon. I don't know why, but since I'm using the new notebook, I couldn't figure out how much water to use for my paints. So it was a bit difficult for me. Still, I was trying to make things look good. Then was trying to paint the scene as it was in the afternoon, and I pretty much poured the orange color here. So I adjusted it with a little red. Now I use a little white color here. See, every time I came to work, my friend will come over to annoy me because he needs some pampering. He wants to be loved now, saying, "Why are you working? You love me, please." I'm going to put some dark blue color here because I want to show the blue color. I want to show the upper portion as it is a blue shade color. Here I am also adding some clouds so that it could look a little bit more interesting. Besides, I am also going to draw the trees. Here I am going to add some leaves of the trees here. I'm drawing a patternlet tree here because it is now seen in many places that everyone is drawing more pictures of this tree because this tree is very nice whether it is in evening or autumn evening afternoon. So I'm using this tree to draw here. So now my drawing is going to finish. I gave two birds here and this is the final look. I hope you like it and please give me more love of yours. Thank you for watching.